Hello everyone, this is Dr. Adnan Rana with you, and today we are going to talk about personal hygiene. When we are going to talk about personal hygiene, there are different kind of things which we can include into that, starting from the hand washing, use of the sanitizer, use of the disinfectant wipes, and one of those kind of wipes we are going to describe you in details as well. Uh, Nowadays it is really important to take care of your hygienes because pandemics are there and it's a big challenge nowadays. I would like to introduce you to one of the non-alcoholic base or a natural disinfection based formula, a German tech product named Anosan wet wipes. These are the anosan natural disinfectant wipes, and these are very safe to use on all the surfaces. It's a disinfectant working as a deodorizer, and no rinsing required after you use this one. And it's just like, it's bactericidal, fungicidal, sporocidal, virucidal, all those what exactly you are looking for a disinfection wipes. The wet wipes, the wipes which are taking care of your skin and hygiene, every ingredient is into this one. These are made according to the German standard with the DGHM, like German Society of the Hygiene, that have already approved onto this one. At the same time, it's approved from IHO, so Industry Association of the Hygiene and Surface Protection. That is the second certification, and the third one is VAH. Basically, that is Disinfectant Commission in Association for Applied Hygiene. So all those guidelines, all those certifications are being there, and then these wipes have been prepared. These are like free of solvents, non-toxic, and it's killing 99.997% of the germs. So it's safe, hypoallergenic, free of alcohol, aldehydes. So these are all the beautiful part of these wipes. When nowadays, because of severe health challenges all around the world, hygiene is really getting like shortages. This one is always available to you, and do take care of yourself and everybody around you. Thank you very much.